Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panjangam, Margazhi Masam 23rd, 7th January 2026. Wednesday, Vishwavasnama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayinam, Hemanta Rudau, Margazhi Masam, that is Dhanur Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tithi up to 11:37 a.m. Chaturthi, then Panchami, Saumya Vasaram, that is Wednesday, Nakshatram up to 4:42 p.m. Magha Nakshatram, then Puram Nakshatram. Today's Rahu Alam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Yamagandam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Guliyagalam 10:30 to 12 noon. Good time 9 to 10 a.m. then 2 to 3 p.m. Sunrise 6:36 a.m. Chandrashtam for Makara Rashi, Shulam North, Prayachittam Milk. Sradhatidi Panjami. Today Chaturthi Vradam. Om Sri Matre Namaha.